Good day everyone, I'm Megan Jane Gabitanan, your reporter for today. And for this video, I will be discussing the sums of squares. Let's start. The sum of two squares is written as n is equal to x squared plus y squared. First example is 1. So 1 can be written as 1 squared plus 0 squared is equal to 1. So, sum siya ng 2 squares. Another example is 5. 5 can be written as 2 raised to 2 plus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 5. Third example is 14. Is 14 a sum of two squares? No, because it cannot be written as x squared plus y squared is equal to 14 for any integers x and y. We have here the sum of two squares theorem. An integer greater than 1 can be written as sum of two squares even only if its prime decomposition contains no prime congruent to 3 mod 4 raised to an odd power. Para mas maintindihan natin yung sum of two squares theorem, sasagutan muna natin itong tanong na ito. Which of the following natural numbers cannot be written as a sum of two squares? A. 405, B. 1111, C. 117, and D. 164. Here, we just need to check which options do not satisfy the condition of sum of two squares theorem. So, sa letter A, 405 is equal to 9 squared times 5. And 9 squared is equal to 81. And 81 times 5 is equal to 405. Here, the prime number with the odd power is 5. And 5 is not congruent to 3 mod 4. Hence, 405 can be represented as the sum of two squares. Next is letter B. 1111 is equal to 11 times 101. Here, both the primes have odd power. And also, 101 is not congruent to 3 mod 4, but 11 is congruent to 3 mod 4. Hence, 1111 cannot be represented as the sum of two squares. Next, let us try letter C. 117 is equal to 3 squared times 13. And 3 squared is 9. 9 times 13 is equal to 117. Here, the prime having odd power is 13. And 13 is not congruent to 3 modulo 4. Hence, 117 can be represented as the sum of two squares. Last, let us try 164 is equal to 2 raised to 2 times 41. 2 raised to 2 is 4 and 4 times 41 is equal to 164. Here, the prime with odd power is 41. And 41 is not congruent to 3 modulo 4. Hence, 164 can be represented as the sum of two squares. Therefore, option B is the only option that cannot be represented as the sum of two squares. Ganun lang yung sums of squares. Yung formula niya ay n equals x squared plus y squared. At para malaman mo kung yung natural number ba ay can be written as a sum of two squares, dapat masatisfy nito yung condition ng sum of the two squares theorem. So, ganoon yun sa ginawa natin kanina. So, kung may tanong pa kayo, mag-comment lang kayo sa comment section. Bye!